Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're going to talk about why you don't have the number one reason why you don't have your first social media marketing client. And I get so many people reaching out to me trying to figure out how to get clients, why they don't have clients, why they're afraid to pick up the phone and make cold calls. There's so many things that people are dealing with, okay? But the number one reason, okay, why you don't have your first client, and you should, okay? You should have your first client. But the number one reason why you don't, okay, I have to go here, okay, it's the mindset, okay? And I'm gonna break you guys free today. You guys wanna be broke free today? You wanna get to $10,000 a month in the next 60, okay, to 90 days, okay? You gotta work on that old mind, okay? Now here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. What keeps happening to you is you have fears, okay, and your habits, okay? It's stopping, okay? It's stopping you, okay, from doing the activity. Okay, it's stopping you from doing the activity, okay, that's required to make $10,000 a month, okay? It's what's going on up here, all right? And I had to deal with this too, okay, because let's look at this. This is your mind right now. You're programmed to work for someone else, okay? And then this is the mindset of 100K a year, all right? You got these two different minds, okay? This is where you are right now. This is your mindset. You've been programmed to work for everyone else, and now you're listening to Maurice and all the SMMA guys, and you like the information. You like the concepts of cold call. You even thought about, a lot of you guys haven't purchased the course yet, so that you can get that information downloaded into your mind. You're thinking about it, and then you're saying to yourself you can't afford it, but yet you'll go and spend hundreds of dollars on clothes and shoes. But when it comes to programming your mind to make $10,000 a month, the mind stops you, okay? Because you have a mindset to work for somebody else. You're not used to working for yourself and creating your own financial reality. And that's why I have to go back to mindset, because my goal today is to break you free so that you can pick the phone up, you can get the course, or maybe hire the coach to help you get to where you're trying to get in life, which is $10,000 a month, which is maybe become job free. A lot of you guys want to become job free. And if you want to become job free, meaning you work for yourself, then you have to do something different. Okay, if you want something different, you have to do something different. If you want something different, you have to do something different. And a lot of you guys aren't willing to do something different. And that's why when you listen to me, you're like, man, this guy wants me to get this course. No, the reason why I want you to get this course is so that you can get to the money, because without it, you're not. Okay. So let's go back to this mindset, fears and your habits. So what happens is this, okay? I'd say, hey, you need to make put in 1 to 2 hours a day of cold calls, okay? But your mind stops you because you start to get fears. Oh, what are they going to say to me? All right, I can't do it. All right, I'm not like Maurice, or I'm not like this person. Your mind stops you, okay? When you look in the mirror, it's not the people that are out here that are stopping you. It's you that's stopping you. And a lot of you guys don't understand that you're self-sabotaging yourself. And the biggest reason that you don't have clients is your mindset. All right. So let's fix this. How do you fix your mindset? How do you go from a worker's mindset to a $100,000 or a successful, let me just put successful SMMA person? Okay. How do you change that mindset? Okay. Number one, you need to reprogram your mind. Number two, you need to set goals. Okay. Because goals is what makes you do the activity necessary to become successful. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to program you guys to set up habits. When I say 1 to 2 hours a day, all right, I'm trying to set habits up, because your habits, all right, is what make or break you. Write that down. Your habits is what makes or break you. Success is not an act. You are what you do daily, okay? Success is not an act, all right? Meaning you do it one time. You are what you do daily, okay? Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal, okay? It's progressive. It means it's done daily, okay? And the way you get rid of all these limiting beliefs and limiting habits that are stopping you is that you have to create new habits. And new habits is making phone calls daily. Because if you make phone calls daily, you're going to start to get clients weekly and then monthly, and then you will get clients daily if you do it enough, because you'll build a bigger enough pipeline, and then you'll just start popping out clients. So the biggest challenge, okay, that you face is you, okay? Now, the biggest challenge I faced when I started as a newbie, going from working at a warehouse to going from making six figures, was my mindset. The biggest thing that I had to change, okay, while I was making $10,000, when I went from, getting $2,000, $3,000 a month working at a warehouse to making $10,000 a month, was my mindset. Okay, I said, man, I cannot afford not to buy a course. That was the first thing I did, was bought a course. Okay, that's why I tell you guys to go, because here's the thing. I didn't want to reinvent the wheel. Somebody had already figured out how to get clients and how to get the clients' results. I didn't want to go have to figure. I just purchased the course. I literally cut ahead of the line. I wasn't going to start from scratch. A lot of you guys want to start from scratch. I just watch all the YouTube. Man, buy a course. It's easier. Somebody already laid the blueprint for you. You just get the course, follow the blueprint. All right, because your mindset is what's holding you back. Most of you guys are too cheap to invest in your future. Okay, when you're talking about investing in a course, you're talking about investing in your future. Don't worry about putting money in the next man's pocket. Worry about putting money in your pocket, because essentially that's what you're doing. I look at it like this. I'll do anything to help me earn another $100,000. If somebody got a $10,000 course and I believe it's going to put another 100 grand or 200 grand in my pocket, I'm shelling out the money. Because here's the thing. Time is your greatest asset. I would rather pay somebody $10,000 that's going to, instead of wasting a whole year figuring it out, I'd rather say, hey, I'll give you $10,000. I can figure this thing out in 30 days than 3 years. Because 3 years, man, you can never get that back, but you can always make that $10,000 back. See, that's the big difference, ladies and gentlemen. You see the mindset? Most of you guys say, hey, Maurice, I would rather figure this thing out by myself, take a whole year, than get a course that's going to allow me to do this thing in 30 to 60 days. Most of you guys trade a year instead of figuring it out in 30 to 60 days. That makes no sense, ladies and gentlemen. So what I'm saying is, you got to make a mental shift if you want clients, because this is the mind. You're not going to be able to become successful with an old mind, okay? You're not. You can't put new wine in old wineskins, ladies and gentlemen. You got to become new, okay? You got to get a new mindset, and you need new information. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys got a lot from this training. You got to work on that mental shift. When you guys make that mental shift, I can guarantee you, you're going to be making $10,000 a month, because you're going to do what's necessary. How do you know you made that change? You get that course, you do what's necessary, you read the books, you go to the trainings, and you apply what you learn. Ladies and gentlemen, you will be on your way to getting your first client, making six figures. So I hope this training has helped you. If it has, comment below. Let me know what you thought. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe. I put out fire like this on the regular, okay? And if you need help, click the link in the description, pick up the ICP, show you guys how I signed up literally 3 clients in 7 days. You guys can watch it. I did the case studies. I give you everything. It's a 7-day course. It'll help you guys take your SMMA to the next level, or help you guys start an SMMA from scratch to $15,000 a month. If you need help, you need more help with your mentality, your fears and anxieties, and you just want somebody to coach you, take you by the hand, click the link in the description. Maybe we can have a conversation, see if you'll be a good proponent for our coaching program. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.